Hi winners, look, welcome to Terry's Tips, guys. Do you want to buy a house, a property, y'all, in your business name? Guys, it is a whole thing. I'm not talking about a hard money loan. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to talk about business mortgages. High level, what is a business mortgage? What are the basic things you need to qualify and where to get one. Get a notebook, get a pen, guys. And for my newbies, welcome. Guys, my name is Terry. I'm a self-employed entrepreneur, a mother, YouTuber, investor. But more importantly, I have over 20 years of experience, and this channel is about wealth building, how you can leverage your personal and or business credit to build wealth, have legacy, have inheritance, qualify for the big money, guys. So subscribe. I upload brand new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. And guys, I'll do my nugget at the end. So guys, business mortgages, write it down. Now, what I will say right here, guys, is that sometimes different lenders, and listen to me, I'm dropping nuggets the entire video. Sometimes different lenders will call it something different. So they may say a corporate mortgage, they may say commercial financing or a commercial mortgage or a conventional mortgage. But a business mortgage, guys, what is it? In its simplest form, all it means is that you are getting real estate financing, an actual mortgage from an actual traditional lender, not a hard money loan, right? And it's in your business name with your EIN. Your business owns this actual property, not you. Okay, guys? Now, today I'm going to talk specifically about Citizens Bank. Write it down. Now, Citizens is like a regional bank, guys, but pause. Nugget right here, guys. I always tell you that there's credit unions, great big national banks, and there's regional banks. The regional banks are like your Key Bank and your Citizens and your PNC and your Truist and your BB&T and all those things. They're like kind of bigger banks, but they're like the mid-level banks, guys. Key, Nugget, these mid-level banks have a ton of financial products, personal and business, for you. They have a ton of money at these banks to give away. And the problem is that most people, most entrepreneurs, investors, small business owners don't qualify because their numbers aren't in order. Their paperwork isn't in order. So I'm going to help you out with that also, guys. So nugget, action item. If you are an investor, a small business owner, entrepreneur, and you're looking to invest in real estate or buy properties with your business name, guys, make an appointment with your small business banker. Not the teller, not the VP, not the person who does student loans. Guys, every bank has a small business banker. Guys, make an appointment. Let them know, hey, I have my checking account and savings account with you. I'm an entrepreneur or an investor or whatever it is, and I'm looking to find out about the business products you have available. I'm telling you, it's a whole real thing, guys, because there's so many kind of financing options that they have for business owners that are not on their website and that a lot of people don't actually know about. So you'd be surprised that going into that meeting, you could just say, I just want some information, and coming out, you have a whole business mortgage, guys, okay? So business mortgages. So I already told you about the where you can get them from. I'm talking specifically about Citizens Bank, guys, and I'll put the link in the description. Literally, you can go to Citizens Bank and type in business mortgage, and the whole tab will come up giving you all the information. So they have fixed rates between 5 and 10 years. Write it down, 5 and 10 years. Now they have other kinds of options for rates, but that will be between 5 and 25 years. So again, the action item is to have a conversation with them. It actually has right on their website, schedule a consultation with a business banker so they can actually talk to you about the options and what is best for you. Now pause, nugget right here. What do you basically need to qualify? Guys, do not go to any lender trying to get 6 and 7 figures and don't have your stuff in order, guys. And for business mortgages, it can be it could be like a retail office, it could be industrial, it could be warehouse, it could be rented on purchase, refinance, or even renovations on an owner-occupied property. Guys, there are options out there that some of you guys actually qualify for right now, and you don't have it. You're not investing in real estate. You're not doing these things just because you're not aware of what's out there. That's one reason why I'm doing this video is I want you to be aware. I'm not necessarily saying Citizens is the answer for you, especially if they're not in your area. But guys, this means that you should start looking for the regional banks in your area and asking the questions and going on the website to find out what you need to get a property, a house, refinance, purchase, renovate, office, warehouse, whatever for you and your business in whatever state you're in, okay? So guys, real quick, some of the basic things you'll need. Obviously, you need to be incorporated, okay? LLC, S Corp, C Corp, but sole proprietor is not going to fly for this. I'm just being honest with you, okay? You want to have your business in good standing. You should be right. These are actual steps, guys. Have your business in good standing. That means look it up with the state and make sure it's in good standing. Obviously, have your EIN, have your DUNS, have a business bank account. EIN, DUNS, business bank account, okay? And then another big thing they look for, guys, is make sure your information is matching everywhere. I don't care what the address is. That's not what this video is about. I will link my video about 10 steps to set up your business correctly and also 10 steps to building business credit. But guys, just make sure it matches everywhere. So what's that mean? When you look it up on the state, what name and address is it? Does that match your EIN? Does that match your business bank account? Does that match your DUNS? Everything needs to be matching everywhere because you're trying to get a whole 6-figure loan, guys, in your business names. It needs to match everywhere. And then when to add, guys, is have your personal credit to a 680 and above. This is commercial financing, business credit, big money, guys, okay? And so you want to make sure that you as the business owner, at the very least, have like a 680 and above that will help you get approved. I'm telling you what I know, guys. And then the last thing I want to say is that, guys, the down payment. So always remember that 0% down, that 3.5% down, that is FHA, first-time home buyers, Freddie Mac. That is not going to fly with business mortgages, investment loans, anything else of that nature, okay? So generally, depending on the bank, depending on their program, depending on what you qualify for, right? So there's some wiggle room. Nugget. Always remember that, guys. With government programs like FHA loans for like house hacking, a lot of the information is very basic. It's the same everywhere because it's kind of regulated. But when it comes to like investment loans, commercial loans, business mortgages, the actual lenders kind of decide more of what they'll do and what they won't do, what the terms are, the requirements. It's not as regulated, so it's going to vary some. But the reason why I picked Citizens is because they actually advertise business mortgages on their actual website, and they're known for doing this. And it's not super hard to qualify, guys. And so it's a less aggressive option than a hard money loan because you guys can generally buy the property, have the mortgage, stick some tenants in there, and you're done. And you can also do renovations depending on what you qualify for. So down payment between 15 and 25% is like what the industry kind of standard is right now, between 15 and 25%. So business mortgages is a whole thing. Business mortgage you can get from a traditional bank. The rates will actually vary depending on what you qualify for. They have terms that are 5 to 25 years. It will be in your business name, business EIN, and generally, guys, you want to put between 15 and 25%. That is going to be the requirement. You will not ever get a business mortgage or commercial loan where they'll tell you can only put down like 3% or 5%. 15 to 25%, which actually leads me into my nugget, guys. My nugget is to run them numbers. Some of y'all aren't meeting your goals is because you haven't clearly defined. And the other day I talked about clearly defining like what it is you want to do. But guys, run the numbers. So what do I mean? You say, I want to leave my job. I want to leave my job. I want to leave my job. And it sounds like a great big audacious goal. But guys, when you actually look at the numbers, your bills are $3,000 a month. You're bringing home $2,500 a month. So your business, whatever it is you want to do, you only need to bring home like $2,500 a month. And a lot of people, it's actually like more than doable. If you want to leave your job, how much money do you need to make per month? If you want to retire your spouse, how much money do you need to make per month? If you want to start a business, what are the fees? What are the costs? What are the startup amount you actually need to start your actual business? Guys, run them numbers. Run them numbers. I'm saying it like that because I'm trying to be funny, but I'm trying to be serious. Like, I really want you guys to actually look at this. You want to retire your spouses or pay for your parents' mortgage, guys. Look at what those numbers actually look like. And then for like your budgeting, guys, if you're in a season where you need to save or you need to invest, when you look at your budget, there's only 2 things you can do. I want to simplify it. The only thing you can do is either increase your income. What knowledge, skills, and experience do you have to generate more income, or decrease your expenses? Where can you cut? Can you cook more? Can you shop at less expensive places? Are you not going to take, a vacation this year? Are you going to look at, your car insurance and your auto insurance and your cell phone and all your bills, kind of reevaluate your whole situation and see where you can actually downsize? Can you sacrifice in a season to get what you want for a lifetime? Guys, look at your goal, put the numbers to it. Men lie, women lie, numbers don't lie. All right, guys, so I hope that was helpful. Have a super amazing day, and I'll put the link in the description for Citizens. Bye.